Hi guys, most welcome to the another tutorial. In this tutorial we discuss that Adobe Photoshop. Here a step by step guide. Pixel Lab is a not available for iOS. Use alternative likes Canva and Photo. Grant open Pixel Lab to see a blank canvas and start by Photoshop toolbar option for new projects, saving, sharing, and exporting. Editing tools panel, tools for text, shapes, sticker, Nox player, LD player. Download the install it, then search for Pixel Lab in the Google Play Store.